Hey guys, it's Hammy3114, and there's weird noises in the background because they're getting ready to do stuff, and I'm going to give you a cage tour. Stardust is a bit cranky, so I'm not going to open the cage. So, it's a water bottle. Back there, there's a foot. There's a foot. It's a foot. Back there is a food dish. That red thing is an apple chew toy. That's the treat I gave her. Stardust is in the pink igloo, right there. That blue stick thing back there, that's another chew toy. That up and down thing, bell thing, that's bell. That is a nature ball. That's another chew toy, that blue-ish eggplant thing. That's a tube, ice cream cone chew. Tube that was from the old cage that I just took off. Wheel, carrot, yellow, banana. That yellow thing's a banana. And then those are just ripped up pieces of, what do you call it? Kleenex. And then Stardust isn't there, but she's a little cranky right now, so we're not gonna wake her up. So yeah, my pet. Okay. So yeah, thanks for watching the cage tour, and I hope you look forward for upcoming videos.